The sound that this letter makes is Y. For our action, we're going to take one hand and pretend to be eating yogurt, just like this. Let's put the action and the sound together. Ready? Y, 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 Y. Every summer, the circus set up its tent in the field next to the vowel forest. Bee, Snake, and Inky loved the circus. One day, they were watching a yo-yo act. A man was spinning yo-yos and doing tricks. "Wow," said Bee as the man finished. "That was fantastic." "Yes," agreed Snake, nodding his head. "All that yo-yoing has made me hungry. Is there anything to eat?" Inky rummaged in her bag. "Here you are," she said. "I've got a yellow banana yogurt." Yummy," hissed Snake.
I like to eat yogurt and